Well, we had a beautiful day reaching almost 90 degrees, so let's see what else is in store for us with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli.
And thank you, Christy. Good evening, everybody. Yeah, really nice and warm day out there. Plenty of sunshine, but that wind has picked up as we went through the afternoon hours. Current temperatures of 86 degrees at Fargo and into the Alexandria area, 81 Jamestown, Devil's Lake, and 82 out toward Bemidji. We could add a couple of degrees to these temperatures for the high temperatures for today. Mainly dry across the area, most of the rain staying well to the north. And Fargo and the Southern Valley were dry yesterday. Most of the rain stayed out just to the west of the Jamestown area here. Yellow is 1 to 2 inches of rain. Orange is 2 or more inches. We also saw a lot of rain yesterday out toward Devil's Lake, Can-Do area, into Grand Forks, and into the Thief River Falls area and points north. And even Lakes Country got in on the action as they got a lot of rain, 1 to 2 inches, just to the south of Fergus Falls. Now, we're going to be dry as we go through the rest of the overnight period and through the day on Sunday. Temperatures falling into the 70s if you have evening plans as that wind does die down, with a low temperature getting into the upper 50s. And we've got a mainly dry and nice and warm week ahead. We'll have that 7-day forecast coming up later in the newscast.
All right. Thank you, Justin.
And welcome back. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot starting off this morning, and we just saw some clouds out there behind that system that came through with the rain. They since moved away in the late morning hours. Temperatures rose back into the upper 80s, and that was our high temperature. Just a few more passing clouds later on to the afternoon, but a very nice and warm day out there for the day today at 86 right now in Fargo. We've got mainly sunny skies. Moorhead also at 86. That wind is getting up there west at 18 miles per hour, gusting to 31, and Grand Forks is holding at 84 degrees under mainly sunny skies. They're also seeing some gusty winds close to that 30 mile per hour range. 82 at Valley City, 81 Jamestown, Langdon, 80 out toward Devil's Lake, 89 down toward Sisseton, Wahpeton, Fergus Falls at 84, and Detroit Lakes at 82 degrees. And here's a look at that wind mainly from the west, which is a warm direction, and we are seeing wind speeds mainly between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Some higher gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour. Here is the satellite loop, and as you can see, most of the moisture staying well to our north above us in Canada, above Minnesota, and we are just seeing mainly sunny skies across the area. The storms that came through yesterday moving into portions of Wisconsin and Michigan with some severe thunderstorm warnings into the Rhinelander and Wausau area, and they stretch all the way back into the Broken Bow and Norfolk area into Nebraska. Now we have this high pressure system working its way in. That low is making its way out of here, and that high will be in charge over the next couple of days, and we have that nice flow from the south that will keep us warm. So the hour-by-hour forecast shows temperatures falling into the 70s tonight. Low temperatures mainly between 55 and 60. Plenty of sunshine as we go through the day tomorrow. Most of the moisture stays well off to our east, and we will see temperatures again well over that 80-degree mark in most places as we will keep mainly clear skies. Another evening with temperatures into the 70s for your Sunday. Here's your area planner for tomorrow. 59 degrees at 7 a.m. Sunny skies. It will be a nice morning as we make our way through the noon hours. 77 sunny skies and warming up quickly, and temperatures into the mid-80s as we go through that 5 p.m. hour. Sunny skies. It's going to be a warm summer-like evening approaching some of the longest days of the year. Sunset at 9:17 p.m. for the day tomorrow. Elsewhere across the Southern Valley into the mid to upper 80s. Sunny skies and warm wind speeds between 10 and 20 miles per hour with higher gusts. Into Lakes Country, low to mid-80s, making our way into northwestern Minnesota, mid-70s to close to 80 degrees. We got sunny skies and still warm as you make your way into the Northern Valley, into the upper 70s to mid-80s, depending on where you are. And then as we go through the day on Monday, still plenty of sunshine out there. Temperatures rising through the 70s by noon. And as we make our way into the afternoon, temperatures again well into the 80s. Here's the photo of the day. It's called Fish with Big Lips Jumping Out of the River. This is taken by Alicia Marie at the Red River in South Fargo. We'll use it in the background of the 7-day forecast. And there's your sunny skies the next 2 days, mid-80s, so well above normal temperatures. A chance of some showers and thunderstorms Tuesday night and Wednesday morning as temperatures fall from the upper 80s to near 80. Near 80 again on Thursday, a high of 84 on Friday, sunny skies at 88. Another chance of some showers and storms for Saturday.
I like those temperatures. Thank you, Justin. All right, after
And we will keep these sunny skies as we go through the day tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be a couple of degrees cooler as we will be into the mid-70s and make your way into north central Minnesota, into the mid-80s out toward the Jamestown area. We're going to keep sunshine through Monday, a high of 85, 87 on Tuesday. Some showers and thunderstorms working their way through as we go through the early morning on Wednesday, and then 81 for your Wednesday, 79 on Thursday, 84 on Friday, and 88. Another chance of some showers and storms on Saturday.
Well, today was a beautifully warm day, perfect for the pools. And West Fargo Veterans Memorial Pool says they had more than 340 people enjoy jumping in and cooling off today. And that takes us now into weather with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli.
And thank you, Christy. Good evening, everybody. Here's a live look outside our Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam network shot in Fargo, pointing off to the northeast. We got mainly clear skies, much different view than this time yesterday. And it is still pretty warm out there for this time of night. Fargo, sunny skies, 79 degrees, wind northwest of 14, Moorhead also 79. And Grand Forks is also seeing sunny skies and a temperature of 75 degrees. Other temperatures around the region, Valley City, Jamestown, Devils Lake at 72. We're seeing a 77 at Gwinner, 72 at Wahpeton, 72 at Crookston, and Fergus Falls is at 77 degrees. Taking a look at the wind speeds, we're seeing mainly west or northwest, and the winds have died down since this afternoon. We're seeing wind speeds 5 to 15 miles per hour, some gusts into that 20 mile per hour range. Most of the precipitation staying well to the north of Minnesota. You got some thunderstorms out there, and hardly a cloud in the sky down here into our viewing area, and that was the story for today. Now we have a high pressure system working its way in. That low that gave us the thunderstorms yesterday, moving off to our north, the cold front producing some thunderstorms into portions of Michigan and Wisconsin now, but that high pressure system is giving us the clear skies. The southerly flow is going to warm us up pretty nicely as we go through the next couple of days. Temperatures falling back through the 70s and into the 60s this evening, lows between 55 and 60. Plenty of sunshine as most of the moisture stays off to the north and to the east as we go through the day tomorrow. And temperatures still warm into the low to mid 80s most everywhere you look. Here in Fargo, sunny skies, a high of 86 degrees with that wind flipping around to the north. A little breezy out there. Wind speeds between 15 and 25 miles per hour. Mainly into the 80s everywhere you look with the exception of northern Minnesota. Some mid to upper 70s out that way. Still plenty of sunshine around, and that trend will continue as we go through the day on Monday. Temperatures into the 70s as we go through the noon hour, and it will be another day with high temperatures well into the 80s as we go through the afternoon. Extending the forecast for the day on Tuesday, a high of 87. Most of the day looks good. Chance of some showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and overnight. Ending Wednesday morning, a little cooler on Wednesday, 81. Partly cloudy skies by Wednesday afternoon, 79 Thursday. Partly cloudy, mostly sunny Friday, 84 and 88 on Saturday, with another chance of some showers and thunderstorms.
But more pool days to come, Justin.
Yeah, a lot more. And it looks like it's going to be a mainly dry and warm week.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
Yep.
Well,
and good evening, everybody. The low that gave us the showers and thunderstorms last night is moving well off to our east, replaced by a high that's giving us mainly sunny skies and warm weather. Will that continue? Yes, it will. I'll tell you how long in Valley News Live 10 at 10 weather.
Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
it's been such a warm day. Hopefully people were outside enjoying it, Justin.
Yeah, really warm out there. We ended out the month of May really cool, but that has all changed now that we've gotten into June. Our second day in a row, we were near 90 degrees. We saw our high in Fargo near 89. Let's take a look at that tower cam time lapse, the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam network shot in Fargo, pointing off to the north and to the east. Starting off pretty mild at 63 degrees. And we saw those clouds from the storms that came through last night leaving us. We got mainly sunny skies, a few passing clouds in the early afternoon. Temperatures getting into the mid to upper 80s. We went through later on into the day, and there's your high of 89 in Fargo. Grand Forks at 85. Your high, lower 80s. Valley City, Jamestown, Cavalier, Devil's Lake, a high of 80 degrees. Into Minnesota, Thief River Falls, a high of 79. And Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls, both at 86 degrees for a high temperature, well below average for this, or well above average for this time of year. 72 right now in Fargo to Fergus Falls, 67 at Thief River Falls, 72 at Roseau down toward Gwinner, and Jamestown now holding at 67 degrees. And the wind speeds mainly from the west, they've died down since this evening. We're seeing wind speeds 5 to 15 miles per hour with some higher gusts out there. Now the satellite loop showing that most of the moisture in this region well north of Minnesota right now into Canada, and we are seeing mainly clear skies, just a few passing clouds north of Roseau and Baudette, and that's basically it for the moisture here. Now those storms that moved through yesterday are now into the upper peninsula of Michigan, stretching back into Wisconsin and Iowa, and just north of Winnipeg. High pressure is in charge of our forecast, and it is clearing us out pretty nicely. And we got that nice southerly flow that will warm us up, and we will keep that warm air as we go through the next couple of days, as that high pressure will give us more sunshine. So as we go through this evening, temperatures falling back through the 60s. Eventually, we'll see lows between 55 and 60 across the area. Mainly clear skies turn sunny as we go through Sunday. We still have some passing clouds just to the north of Baudette. That's basically it. Sunshine temperatures into Minnesota into the low to mid 70s. From the Red River Valley points off to the west into the low to mid 80s as we go through the day on Sunday, and then temperatures staying into the 70s as we go through the evening hours as we stay mainly clear. Fargo area planner for your Sunday starting off near 60 degrees. Sunny skies. It's a nice morning, a temperature of 77 by noon. We're going to keep the sunshine warming up pretty nicely. Another very warm day with a high near 76 during the 5 p.m. hour in Fargo. Elsewhere across the Southern Valley, we are going to see temperatures into the mid to upper 80s. Lakes Country will see temperatures into the low to mid 80s. Everybody's seeing sunny skies. It's warm. Going to see some 70s near the Canadian border. Everybody else into the low to mid 80s into northwestern Minnesota. And the same thing. We're going to keep 70s up north, 80s as you make your way into the northern valley. And then as we go through the day on Monday, more sunshine, temperatures rising through the 70s by the morning hours. And another day where highs will be well above average, well into the low to mid 80s. Here's the photo of the day. It's called Fish with Big Lips Jumping Out of the River, the Red River in Fargo. Thank you, Elisa Marie, for this one. We're going to use it in the background of the 7-day forecast for the next couple of days. Sunshine and mid 80s into the Fargo area, and then another chance of some showers and thunderstorms Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Both of the daytime hours of Tuesday and Wednesday look good. Temperatures are falling. High of 79 on Thursday, partly cloudy, mostly sunny. Friday 84 and 88. Another chance of some storms for the day on Saturday.
We might be ready for some of those clouds to kind of hide some of that heat after all those warm days you showed us.
And of course, we need the rain. Fargo didn't get the rain last night.
Yep, that's right. Thank you, Justin.
Yep.
Well, later on Valley News.
And for the day tomorrow, plenty of sunshine again, and we will be warm. Into Minnesota, we're going to be into the mid to upper 70s, and from the Red River Valley and points off to the west, lower to mid 80s. Now we should be near 77 for a high temperature, but we're going to stay well above that for Monday. Plenty of sunshine, high of 85, 87 on Tuesday, 81 on Wednesday. Some storms moving through during the overnight period, near 80 on Thursday, 84 on Friday. More sunshine, and Saturday we have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Warmer, high of 88. Take a look at the high temperatures out there for the day today. Still well above normal. We should be near 75 this time of year. Fargo, a high of 88 degrees, 82 at Grand Forks, 84 at Valley City, 87 at Jamestown, and 77 as you make your way out toward Foston with Thief River Falls. A little cooler at 74 degrees. Let's take a look at that tower cam time-lapse Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. Still pointing off to the north and to the east. Temperatures into the 70s this morning and then to the upper 80s. We made our way through the afternoon with clear skies out there. Plenty of sunshine, and we are still seeing clear skies as temperatures have fallen back down into the mid 70s. And again, this is where we should be for highs this time of year, just after the 9 p.m. hour. Wind is north-northeast, 12 miles per hour, Moorhead at 75, and Grand Forks is seeing plenty of sunshine just as it's about to set, 75 degrees. Winds not bad, northeast at 12 miles per hour. Current temperatures look like this: 73 Valley City, 75 Jamestown. Jamestown, Devils Lake, and Langdon at 72, 73 at Wahpeton, Fergus Falls, and it's the lower 70s at Detroit Lakes. Make your way a little further north and you're into the mid to upper 60s. Wind speeds, they did pick up again this afternoon, but the winds more from the north. But didn't do much in terms of the temperatures, though. Wind speeds now mainly between 10 and 20 miles per hour with some higher gusts out there. Here's the satellite loop. All we're watching is some clouds around the Roseau-Baudette area just north of Bemidji and some rain showers just north of the Arrowhead of Minnesota. That's basically it for the moisture. Plenty of sunshine across the area for today. Just some clouds into portions of western North Dakota. We had a weak cold front come through. All it did was flip the winds to the north. And by the afternoon, it was already warm enough with the sunshine and the low humidity. Now we're going to have another warm front make its way through for the day tomorrow. High pressure is still in charge, so we're going to have another nice day for your Monday before a system comes in here, and you can see it over Montana and Idaho, and that will increase the chance for some rain showers and thunderstorms as we go through your Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. But for your Monday, temperatures falling into the mid-50s to upper 50s for lows, and then back well into the 80s in most areas with plenty of sunshine as we go through the day on Monday. So as we track your planning forecast for Fargo for tomorrow, 58 at 7 a.m. We are going to be into the mid to upper 70s by around noon. Sunny skies out there. And we will see temperatures into the mid-80s by around 5 p.m. Sunny skies, temperatures well above average afternoon planner across the Southern Valley, into the upper 80s to near 90. Sunny skies and warm into Lakes Country, low to mid-80s, making our way into northwestern Minnesota. A few more passing clouds, but still plenty of sunshine. Temperatures into the mid-70s to lower 80s, depending on where you are. And into the Northern Valley, we should see temperatures into the upper 70s and lower 80s, still with the wind, just a light breeze from the southeast. And now extending the forecast as we go through the day on Tuesday, we've got a chance of some showers and thunderstorms later on to the afternoon and evening. Still pretty warm out there. High of 87 degrees, 79 on Wednesday as those storms come to an end, turning partly cloudy. Another 79 on Thursday, partly cloudy, mostly sunny on Friday, 84. Another chance of some showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. Still hot, a high of 88. And for Sunday, partly cloudy, a high of 86 degrees.
Does not look bad at all, even with those chances of rain. 80s sounds fantastic.
Yeah, well above average for this time of year and mainly a dry weather pattern.
We'll take it, Justin. Thanks so much.
And the forecast for tomorrow, a third straight day of sunshine and temperatures well above normal. We should see highs into the lower 80s as you make your way out toward Jamestown, Valley City, mid-80s here into the valley. And into Minnesota, temperatures mainly into the mid to upper 70s with plenty of sunshine for Monday. We have dry weather for most of Tuesday, a high of 87 with some showers and thunderstorms moving through during the overnight, ending on Wednesday morning before we get back to some partly cloudy skies. Near 80 through Thursday, partly cloudy, then mostly sunny Friday, 84. Another chance of some showers and thunderstorms Saturday. Still warm up to 88 and 86 under partly cloudy skies on Sunday.
So what exactly is normal around this time?
Normal is 75 degrees, but that will we'll add a couple of degrees to that as we go through next week.
Sounds good, Justin. Thank you. And thank you for joining us. We'll see you next weekend.
Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Well, everyone is loving you and the rest of the Storm Team meteorologists because you guys are giving us awesome weather. So is there more to come?
Yeah, second straight day of sunshine, a lot of warm air, a little breezy out there. We're going to see more of this weather on Monday. And then we'll see a slight change. We'll tell you about that coming up. But a high of 88 in Fargo today, Grand Forks at 82. Cavalier, Devils Lake, 81 degrees, 87 your high at Jamestown. And as you make your way out into Minnesota, Detroit Lakes, a high of 81 degrees, well above normal for this time of year. We should be into the mid-70s. Here's a look at our tower cam time-lapse, the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. Temperatures rising through the 70s this morning. Plenty of sunshine out there with a high of 87 degrees in that Fargo area before temperatures fell back down through the 80s and 70s as we made our way through the last couple of hours. 72 right now. Clear skies in Fargo. Moorhead also at 72. Wind not bad, around 9 miles per hour. From a northerly direction, Grand Forks at 69 degrees. Winds around 7 miles per hour. Other temperatures Valley City at 68, Devil's Lake and Jamestown at 67 degrees. And as you make your way out toward Wahpeton, Fergus Falls at 70, 63 at Roseau, and Crookston is holding at 70 degrees. We had some breezy conditions this afternoon. The winds have since died down, mainly between 5 and 15 miles per hour from a northerly direction everywhere you look. Now, the satellite loop shows that most of the precipitation north of Minnesota right now with some clouds and just some rain showers. That was basically it. Clear skies over us right now. A few passing clouds into central North Dakota, but not a lot of moisture out there. Most of the moisture back toward eastern Montana and Idaho in the form of some rain. High pressure is going to be in charge of our forecast as we make our way through Monday, and this won't get here until we go through Tuesday night into Wednesday. So clear skies as we go through the overnight period. Temperatures falling back through the 60s and low temperatures in most places between 55 and 60. As we go through the day tomorrow, more of the same, sunshine and temperatures ranging from the mid-70s out into Minnesota into the mid-80s as you make your way across the southern valley. Planning your day in Fargo tomorrow, starting off into the upper 50s, sunny skies. It'll be a nice morning, temperatures rising through the mid-70s by around the noon hour. And Fargo, one of the warm spots, into the mid-80s by around 5 p.m. Still temperatures well above average as we keep sunny skies. Elsewhere across the southern valley, temperatures into the mid to upper 80s, some places near 90 degrees. Lakes country a little cooler. We're going to say low to mid 80s and a few more passing clouds. We're going to say mostly sunny into northwestern Minnesota. Temperatures ranging from the mid 70s to lower 80s and making our way out into the northern valley, upper 70s and lower 80s, sunny skies and warm for tomorrow. And then for the day on Tuesday, we're going to spend most of the morning hours just partly cloudy, and then as we go through later on to the day, some showers and thunderstorms developing into the afternoon and moving through as we make our way through the evening. And before the thunderstorms hit, temperatures again very warm. As you can see, our model predicting upper 80s for the Fargo area. Now, here's the photo of the day. It's called Lightning at Sunset near Jamestown. Thank you, Casey, for this one. We'll use it in the background of the 7-day forecast and recapping the next couple of days. For your Monday, sunny skies, and we have those thunderstorms possible for the day on Tuesday in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures staying well into the 80s. Wednesday, those storms move away mainly into the morning hours, back to partly cloudy skies, 79 through the day on Thursday when we turn partly cloudy. Mostly sunny Friday, 84. 88 on Saturday. Now, we have another chance of some showers and thunderstorms, and we're back to partly cloudy skies on Sunday. Look for a high of 86 degrees.
So not a bad week ahead because it's usually in the mid-70s, lower 70s around this time of the year?
Yeah, we're going to be into the mid to upper 70s for normal high temperatures, and most of those days we are above 80 degrees.
We'll take it, Justin. Thanks so much.
And for the day tomorrow, we will see mainly sunny skies again. Temperatures close to 80 degrees out toward Devil's Lake and Langdon, lower 80s, Jamestown Valley City, the Southern Valley into the mid 80s and out toward Detroit Lakes and Bemidji, high of 76 degrees, still well above average for this time of year. A chance of some showers and thunderstorms Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then temperatures near 80 through Thursday, dry conditions to end the week, 84 on Friday, and another chance of some showers and thunderstorms, but hot for next Saturday.
Well, not a bad week ahead. Thanks so much, Justin, and thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next weekend. Have a good night.